Hi traders, just taking a look at the Euro session trade I'm in here. I'm in a market like this. I think you're actually better off trying to sell the highs rather than buy the lows at the moment, judging by the reaction to the Fed day yesterday. We're pretty much in a confirmed bear market here, the way the highs are selling. So this is the pound yen. So we've sold off here, pulled back, sold off, pulled back, sold off, pulled back, sold off. So what I'm trying to do is, there's a massive wall here just under the 171. So I've just gone short here and just seeing if I can get this to fail at this resistance level here and potentially break 170. Okay, so that's my attitude to this market at the moment. Just sell high. If you're going to sell, then sell high. What I would advise you don't do is start getting short down these low levels here when you've got such massive support underneath you. If we do come down here again, I think this will give this is a potential shoulder, head, shoulder, and we've got a neckline running here. So if we fail here, it's not to say this is this is a sure thing. There's such thing as a sure thing, but certainly just keep shorting the highs in markets like this and the indices, and then see if that works. Alright, so I'll turn the video off now and then see where we close on the top of the hour, and then see if this is going to work. Intraday fib levels suggest that this is a good area to get short, but we'll see. It's had a nice move up in the first couple of hours of the Euro session, so let's see. Okay, so we are just coming into the hour here, and you can see how I'm plus 15 points up at the moment. And you just see these bars, this market looked good up here, didn't it? And yet, once it hit this level here, we've sold off. This is the art of trading in a kind of market we've got at the moment. Look for the highs, don't short low and risk it getting a bit of a short covering bounce. The best thing to look for is high levels. So that's a really nice reversal bar off of that level there, and that looked good up. When it was running up in the morning, that looked good. And here we are, 17 plus points underneath that. So that's a reversal bar. Coming off the midline on the RSI, so I'll keep that short. I've got to stop to break even, and we'll just see if that can break down. Because if you look at yesterday's bar on the daily, this was a nice seller's bar that closed under the 50 EMA. So I'm just looking to see, and we were slightly lower. We printed a new low overnight, just marginally. So let's see if we can get some further downside. Alright, I'll leave this part of the video there and I will restart it later. Okay, part 3 of this trade. I've got this going on in the 15-minute chart at the moment. I've got a stop. I'm 22.5 points in the blue at the moment, with a stop at break even plus 10. So my stop is just above all these 15-minute bars, last 3 15-minute bars. We've got data in 25 minutes, so I could just get stopped out. But case for the bears, we have failed at that trend line. Case for the bulls, we are sitting on a major fib level, and at the moment holding. If you look at the 60-minute chart, you'll see why I'm so bearish at the moment, short-term bearish, because we have a reversal bar under this level of resistance, this wall at 170.90. Okay, so I'm leaving at the moment a good, what I have been about 25-30 points up, currently 20 points up, leaving 10 points, securing 10 points on the table, and then just seeing if we can actually break this 170.50 and come down. Alright, obviously above the 50 MA, so it's lower probability, but it's a risk-free trade. In fact, it's a profitable trade. Whatever happens, it's a profitable trade, unless there's a very, very nasty gap, which is extremely unusual in Forex. Not unheard of, but extremely unusual. So I will leave that on and come back to you shortly. Okay, I've just temporarily lost the image of my positioning at the moment, but this is where I am at the moment. So I've had 3+ hours of selling. My entry was up here at 170.86, and my stop at the moment is just up here at 170.20. So I've currently got about 85-86 points in the account, with most of it protected. You can see how we sold off a big sellers bar, or quite a large sellers bar yesterday, penetrated into the 170, and then we sold off. Okay, so I'll continue to manage this trade and see where we are. Hi traders, just got back from lunch and this trade has been taken out with a profit. You can see this is where we failed. This is where I got in 170.86 up here, right underneath this trend line. It's 3 touches, double top on the 15-minute chart, starts to close under the 8, starts to close under the 200, etc, etc. So this is the way I was managing my stop on the way down, and then I've taken the exit of the 127 extension, 950. Okay, so that's 135 points. And right from pretty early on, it was a free trade because of the way in which I managed to get the stop to break even. Then I had it at +10. Then I had it at about +30. So I dragged the stop down and just trailed it every hour roughly. And then I had it here, and I had a stop just above there. Then once we closed down here, I had a stop up here, and then eventually just taken out. Alright, so took quite a while, took about 3-4 hours, but that's how I get a runner, just by picking a spot, looking at these levels and managing it. And if you look at the 60-minute chart and the daily, oops, I just moved the wrong chart away. You can see here we had a reversal bar in that 60-minute chart under this pivot level. This is a crucial level for quite a lot of the week, and the 200 EMA creeping around above us. Nice reversal bar of this area here on the 60-minute chart, and then whoosh, 4 hours later we are down to the trend line and all that support. Alright, so hope you enjoyed that trade, and if you'd like to join me in the trading room, we are open US session on Monday, or late US session on Monday, and then we do a couple of hours in the Euro session and a couple of hours in the US session Tuesday to Friday. Alright, for more information let me know, otherwise keep you posted.